Hi there. Today we're going to make some date and nut bliss balls in the 600M juicer by Optimum. Now, juicers are generally known to juice, right? But you can do so much more than just juice in a juicer. So we are going to see how we can make some tasty bliss balls with dates and nuts. And I've got a selection of almonds and cashews that I have pre-soaked a little to soften. So there's 1 cup of nuts and I have 1 cup of pitted dates. Now just a tip with your dates, always just check, give them a little twist to make sure there's no pits still remaining in your dates. Now I'm going to make these a little bit more superfoody, so I've also got some sunflower seeds and some pumpkin seeds to add in. So we are trialing something new and seeing how the Optimum 600M juicer goes with it. So let's do it. We'll turn the machine on. And we'll start feeding through dates and nuts alternatively. To seeds. We may just have to coax the mixture out a little bit because it's quite thick. I'm just using the back end of the spoon just to clear the pathway. It does taste really good, I can assure you. Moving through a little nicer now, as you can see. Amazing what you can do in a juicer. Now you could also use dried apricots as well. Both would achieve a very tasty, natural sugar base sweet treat. And I think that's done. So that's it. I'm going to transfer that into a bowl and I'm going to roll them into little balls. And that's our treat. So I'll show you the final result when I'm done. And here is the finished product. Now I might just want to add that rolling them was very, very simple. It's very soft and easy to roll into beautiful little balls, as you can see here. I did use the blank plate strainer in order to achieve this result. So when you're making things that don't require separating the fibre from the vegetable, as you would when you're juicing, then you'd use the blank plate attachment. So there you go, and I'm going to taste test. That is really tasty and guilt-free as well. I know I'm doing myself good. So give it a go and enjoy. Bye.